Welcome. In today's guide, I'll show you how to leave a group chat on Messenger with the updated steps. If you've ever found yourself stuck in a group conversation that constantly buzzes with notifications, or maybe you've simply moved on from the discussion, leaving the chat is a quick and easy way to regain some peace. Let's get started. First, open the Messenger app on your phone or tablet. Once Messenger loads, you'll land in the Chats tab, which shows all of your ongoing conversations. This is the main place where you can see and manage every chat you've had, from private one-on-one messages to large group conversations. Next, scroll until you find the group chat that you no longer want to be part of. Once you spot it, tap and hold on that group chat. A menu will appear with several different options that give you tools to manage the conversation. Now from that menu, look for the option that says Leave Group. Tapping this will bring up a confirmation step. This confirmation is important because it makes sure you don't accidentally exit a group you want to keep. When you're sure you want to leave, simply confirm your choice. After confirming, Messenger will remove you from that group chat. This means you won't receive new messages from the group anymore, and you'll be free from any notifications tied to that conversation. Other members in the chat will see a note that you've left, but you won't be part of the thread going forward. And that's it. In just 3 simple steps: opening Messenger, holding down the chat, and selecting Leave Group, you can step away from any conversation that's no longer useful or relevant. This feature is a helpful way to control your own space and minimize distractions, especially if you've been added to a group without asking, or if the topic no longer applies to you. So the next time you need a break from group messages, remember it only takes a few quick taps. It's simple, effective, and ensures that you stay focused on the things that matter most.